this V voltage, but it has it has a symbol here on top of it, but it is in a waveform. So this symbol represents alternating. It alters. It alters, not in one direction. It alters, keeps on changing. It's in a waveform. So this is alternating voltage. Alternating voltage. Whenever you see this V with this symbol in the waveform, it is alternating voltage. And we have this V with a bar on top or a dotted line on top. This is alternate. This is direct voltage. Do you know why it's direct?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay, good enough, you know. Whenever you see this bar on top or a dotted line on top, it is called direct voltage, because it is just straight. It is direct. It doesn't alter anywhere. It is straight, so it is direct voltage. We come to this symbol. This letter is A, and here it's also A. This is it. What's this one?
Alternating current. Ampere.
This is amperes.
Yes.
But current, it has a symbol I. That is the symbol for current. For voltage, it has V, volts. Amperes I, current I. So current is measured in what? In the amperes. So here we have also a wave symbol. This is alternating current.
Which is
alternating current in amps. And whenever you see this bar on top, and it is on letter A, or a dotted line on top, and it's on letter A, this is direct current. So we come to this man. White is in which shape? This is resistance. It is measured in ohms. This is the symbol for resistance. Ohms. So this is resistance. If they told you to measure the resistance of a wire, you put in this one, but mostly in 200. You put in 200 the arc for resistance. Now we come here. We have two symbols here. This symbol is for a diode, and this is for a sound waveform. So when we come here, we have this one and this one, but they are all the same. This is when you're measuring continuity. If you are told to measure the continuity of a wire or any conductor, you put on this one. So here you will experience a sound wave in your multimeter. By law and order, you will have to receive it. If you don't hear it, so that wire or that conductor is not continuous. So you still check on it. This is for continuity testing. let these symbols not confuse you. Just know that this one measures continuity resistance. But you quote these ones, these symbols.
Mukabe.
Eh?
You say those two, the last one. The two.
That's resistance.
These are when you measure continuity, these ones. So this is when you measure the resistance of the conductor or any material. So this one this is direct current. This is alternating. Whenever I see this symbol, alternating. Whenever I see this one, direct. Whenever I see this one, direct. Whenever I see this one, alternating. So hope you are at least you have got some changes on what you have been knowing.